Laying on the sofa, cup of orange juice in my hand, waiting for some thunder, fireworks, some fun. I haven't been feeling it lately. Technology, come and help me. I just wanna feel a bit naughty. Think I'm gonna paint him in 3D. He will give me his love and all the loving that I'm needing. 'Cause the way he feels is almost real, and I'll keep going down the I'm needing for love and for my liking. Jacob made him. All my friends are dating IRL and getting it on. But what's the point in making devices give me all that I want? I haven't been feeling it lately. The technology came and saved me. I think I will ask it to marry me. Think I'm gonna paint him in 3D. He will give me his love and all the loving that I'm needing. 'Cause the way he feels is almost real, and I'll keep going down the I'm needing for love and for my liking. Jacob made him. Think I'm gonna paint him in 3D. He will give me his love and all the loving that I'm needing. 'Cause the way he feels is almost real. Yeah, I made him for loving. I made him for loving.